What's going on, guys? Mr. Allen here, and we're going to find the area of a triangle with sides 6, 9, and 11 feet. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to draw up a scalene looking triangle here. That's fine for me. All right, and now I'm going to label my sides 6, 9, and 11. So 6, 9, and 11 feet. So 1 tick mark means feet, 2 tick marks is inches. I got them labeled as feet. Now, this is not a Pythagorean triple. This is not like a 3, 4, 5 triangle or a 5, 12, 13 or something like that. So this is not a right triangle. So I don't have two sides that are perpendicular, which can be my base and my height. So what the heck do I do? Well, you actually don't have enough math at this point in time in your life to be able to do something like this. We need some sort of a math hero of sorts. And there we have it. Heroes formula is what we need for this one here. That was a great math joke. All right. Anyways, area of a triangle is equal to the square root of my semi-perimeter. That's what S is, my semi-perimeter, which is half the perimeter, multiplied by the semi-perimeter minus the side, semi-perimeter minus the side, semi-perimeter minus the side. Okay. So let's go ahead and use this beast of a formula. First things first, I need my semi-perimeter. That's going to be all my sides added up, 6 plus 9 plus 11 over 2, that's 26 divided by 2 is 13. So S is going to be 13. Now I can plug this in to my hero's formula. So the area of a triangle is equal to the semi-perimeter. So 13 multiplied by 13 minus one of my sides, we'll say 6. 13 minus another one, so we can use the 9. And then we got 13 minus the 11. All of that inside the square root. Now we can do some simplifications, shall we? I think we shall. So if I multiply this all out, let's see here actually. We got 13, we got 7 then, yep, times 7, times 4, times 2. That's all going to equal the square root of 728. Now, you're not going to be allowed to leave a square root unsimplified if it can be simplified. And we're generally not going to ask for a decimal answer. So you're going to have to break this down with a factor tree. And that's kind of a pain with something so large here, right? Well, let's take a look carefully at how we got 728. We multiplied 13, 7, 4, and 2. All those are prime numbers except for that 4 right there, right? So I could break this down into 4 times something. Well, 728 divided by 4, that's going to give me 182. And I know that 182 can be broken down into the 13, the 7, and the 2. That's not going to get me any pairs, right? Not going to get me any pairs. So I'm already good to go here. If I break down this 4 into 2 and 2, if you like, that's your pair. And now our final answer is 2 square root 182. And that was feet squared because we were dealing with feet there. That is my final answer for the area of this triangle. You could multiply it all out, get a decimal answer if you wanted, but generally speaking, we're going to ask you for exact answers, simplified radicals, reduced fractions, things like that. That's it for Hero's formula. Not too bad, but a very special case type formula. You'll learn other math along the way in the future to deal with something like this, but for now, not a bad formula to have in your back pocket. You know what I'm saying? Your back math pocket. All right, see you.